how to figure out how to stream again, my brother.
Hey, bro. We're gonna figure out the stream, and hopefully this is the year we finally oil these arms.
Hey. Chat, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone...
Chad's good to be back.
Okay, this is how I sit. Now to get comfortable again. Chat, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a very good festive season with the family and everyone's well rested. 2026, again, as I mentioned on one of my stories, focus on process goals and the outcome goals. What does it mean to focus on process goals? So to get to any type of outcome, there's a certain process that you need to do. If you want to get fit, the process is going to gym. So it's all good and well putting on your little wall there, oh, I want to get fit in 2026. No, you don't want to get fit. You want to get consistently into the gym. Okay, the fitness will come. So process goals over outcome goals. Okay, if you want to make money, how do you make money? If you don't have a job, you get a job. In your trading, if you don't have a profitable trading strategy, you join Project G. All of these are process goals. Okay. I'm already selling, Keeks. Look at that. Already selling. But Chad, hope you guys are well. As always, we're going to start off this year the right way. We're going to dedicate this year. And let's start off the right way. I'm going to ask you guys to bow your heads. Let's pray and let's get into this new year. So let's just bow our heads. Father, I come to you this morning humbly, and I just want to thank you for a new year. Thank you for bringing us all back safely onto this side of the year. I pray for each and every one of the viewers, each and every one that will come across our paths in 2026. I pray that you will bless us. I pray that you will protect us. I pray that you will keep us. I pray that 2Gs as a community will continue to do good work. I pray that you will strengthen this community. I pray that you will hear each and everyone's prayers as they pray. You say in your word that if my people shall humble themselves and pray and come back to you, that you will hear our prayers, Father. And we come to you humbly this morning, and we dedicate 2026 to you, the foundation of everything we do. Father, we pray that your hand will be in it. If your hand is not in it, we don't want to be a part of it. And we pray that you will be a light unto our feet and a lamp unto our path, Father, that we will walk in your ways, that we will walk into the destiny that you have planned for each and every one of us. And thank you that life is happening for us and not to us, and that we can have faith that you are there every step of the way. Pray for our families. Pray for our cities, our communities, our country. We pray that you will come through strongly this year in everything we do. We pray for strong leaders. We pray for strong fathers. We pray for strong community leaders, that we will set an example for you. We pray this and we ask this not because we deserve it, because we are not deserving of anything good, but yet your grace and your mercies are new every single day. We pray and we ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen right now. In
Amen.
The chat. Amen. Amen. Chad, and before we start, I'm going to chat about Bonang, because I see some of the guys posting some stuff about it. And I'm not going to make it a long, dragged out story. Very simply put, you guys know that from the start, 2Gs, as a brand, myself and Keegan, and everything we stand for is about trust, loyalty, and about integrity. Okay, everything we've ever done is always open and transparent. Everything that we've ever done is for the betterment of the community. And when somebody or some people go against that code of conduct that we've got here, we cannot sit idle and just watch it go by. I don't care who it is. If I'm in the wrong, Keegan needs to call me out. I've said it so many times. You guys need to call me out. And when we have somebody that goes against all of the fundamental guidelines that we govern ourselves by. We cannot sit idle and say, oh, it's okay because you are my brother. First and foremost, it's not a case of someone being your brother. It's a case of right and wrong, okay? You need to be objective. When something's wrong, it's wrong. Something's right, it's right, okay? Irrespective of who the person is. Okay, so when somebody goes against that, I'm going to very quickly deal with it, okay? So when we, and I'm not even going to go into the story. You guys can ask Bonang himself. When somebody says something to me in confidence and says, this is the truth, and I find out it's not the truth, okay? So firstly, you lied to a brother, okay? Secondly, you should never put a brother in the spot that he put me in. Okay, that's the second thing. So it's not even about choosing sides. And then also, if I cannot even trust your word that you gave to me, how can I trust anything after that? Okay, so if Keegan lied to me once, lied to me twice, why should I believe him the third time? Okay, so I'm not going to make it a dragged out story. A lot of the guys saying, oh, 2G's this, 2G's that. No, we didn't do anything wrong, okay? We had a guy come on our platform, say certain stuff, doing certain stuff in the background that is not in line with what we do. When he got confronted in a very, very aggressive manner, just to give you guys an idea, there was a TV crew here on the last Friday, the last stream. About 8 guys, cameras mic'd up, and when I opened up looking for Bonang, and I said, gents, please can we put away the cameras, let's sit down, come into the office, had a chat, whatever. A lot of stuff came out, but again, it's none of my business. I tried helping a brother out, but if you say certain things and you don't do them, my dad always said, son, you can be poor, you can have nothing in life, but the one thing you do have is your word. And if I give you my word, then I give you my word, okay? Bonang gave his word to a certain gentleman in June. Then when he got confronted, he didn't have an answer for it. And simply when I was mediating the meeting, I said, Bonang, did you say this? Yes. Why did you not follow through on it? Long story again. So much love for Bonang. I really hope he gets out of his disillusioned state, that is not always the victim. Even his little video he made, if you're wrong, you're wrong. Chad, I've said it so many times. You own up, you say I messed up. Don't always try and shy away and make yourself the victim. Okay? Guys, if you're wrong, you're wrong. You own it up. Even with this thing with the pastor going around getting divorced, if you're wrong, you're wrong. We human, okay? But don't always try and be the main character in your story and try and make out that you're the victim. You messed up. You're in the wrong. How do you move forward from it? So,
Chad, and the one thing I'll add to it, and this is purely as you say, it was never a thing to be mean. It's as Chris always says, you never put a brother in that situation, and it becomes a thing of how many times do we become a risk to his business and his company side, his personal brand, and now how many times are you starting to become a risk and a liability to us? But the big thing from us is, again, because he took it that route and he made a video and he made all this, the one thing, and that's where Chris says, again, life is always going to come down to choices and decisions. And again, you can play the victim and you can lie and you can do these things, but my thing is, he goes on as if it was a one-time affair. And all I'm going to say is you guys go and ask him, because we don't need to blast it all over social media. But you can ask him if that was the only case, because that's what he makes it out as. And that is not the truth.
Yeah. And when he posted something saying that if you followed him from 2Gs, they must unfollow you. I sent him a message and I said, Brian, it actually saddens me through everything that you would go that route first and foremost. And we never threw him away. we just said, Bonang, while you've got all of this going on, we cannot have you representing our brand. Okay. And then he said, no, but we just care about the brand, this and that. It's not just about the brand. It's about everything we stand for. Okay. So we cannot have somebody come in from the outside and we call out people on certain stuff. And now somebody, we've always said it. If somebody in our circle does, we have to call you out, unfortunately. So that is a story. You won't see Bonang ever on any of our platforms. I really, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I wish him all of the best. I think he's got a lot of potential. I think if he can just screw his head on right and stop with the little side shows and all of the rest. What I do have to say is that if you were affected in any certain kind of way by Bonang, I would urge you guys to go and lay a complaint at the FSCA. While that meeting was also going on, I suggested that this meeting be taken to the FSCA. So if anyone you know of, if he traded accounts on your behalf or bought accounts on your behalf or whatever, please go to the FSCA. Let me just share my screen here. At Enforcement Matters, I was sitting over the holiday and I was thinking, do I report it? I'll still see about it, but yeah, I don't know how deep this thing goes with him. But
as you say, we just know it's more than one person he's done it to, and that's where the problem lies.
I just want to quickly get complaints. Okay. Yeah, so you can go here on the FCA website. I'm going to share it and then just go and lay your complaint there.
You're just going to have to pull it out, bro. It's like all to the side.
Oh, yeah. I shared the link there. Okay. You can go there. All right. So, yeah, 2G's lesson learned again. I think we were a little bit naive. Me and Keegs had a chat last year and the beginning of this year. I think as Fabs mentioned, 2Gs just needs to remain 2Gs. Everyone is on a little side quest. So, yeah, we'll just shoulder the plow. And, yeah, I think lessons
we'll
learned.
Keep our community real and we'll be here with you guys.
So, Chad, that's it. Don't have to talk about it.
And done, yeah.
Don't have to talk about it again. But let's get straight into it. New year, gold has been absolutely flying. This week we've got CPI coming out. NFP relatively flat as expected. So I do expect CPI to give us some good direction for the rest of this first quarter.
Sorry, bro, just before as you're talking a bit about the news, did you see now they launch another criminal investigation into Fed Powell again?
Really?
Yeah, again, bro.
What? Okay. Chad, let's get straight into it. DXY on the weekly. Actually had a call with the Prodigy members this morning. DXY is starting to look somewhat bullish to me with the idea that we closed back above this area here. Okay. So that area right there. Weekly close nice, strongly bullish. Also 2 consecutive bullish weekly candles constituting a support to me. Daily time frame. Here we go. Daily time frame. You can also see that we are starting to break this bearish order flow to the downside. All right. There you can see we were very nicely trading lower lows, lower highs. And now we're starting to make our shift back to the upside. So Friday's daily candle closure bullish. Could expect some type of pullback into this area. Alrighty. And then from there, if we go to the lower time frame, we also have that previous daily low there. We're going to have to monitor that. Alrighty, let's do this. Okay, there's that daily zone we spoke about. There's that previous daily low. For me, everything is going to hinge around this level. this morning, and whether we continue lower will be decided at the previous daily low. All right, I'm going to do USD a little bit later. I just want Kigo to do gold as well, but gold starting off from the weekly. A little bit of an inside week last week, not taking previous weekly high or low. Nice and strongly bullish. All right, new all-time highs being broken here this morning as well. I just want to mark that out. There we go. Previous all-time highs. Okay, beautiful. There we go. Currently trading above the previous weekly high. Daily on Friday, we would have started off this day looking bullish. Nice break of structure there with the idea that we can continue onto this flat body resistance area. And what do I expect? I am bullish. Okay, there's that flat body daily resistance area. I would love for gold to make a nice little pullback into this zone right there. All right, previous all-time high retest, then continuing higher. Okay, could potentially look for continuations here above Asia highs, but that is ultimately what I'm looking at. Just want to see session volume profile here. All right, majority of the volume is sitting there. Could see a nice little pullback, or we are just going to run higher from here. But ultimately, sitting on my hands here, idle. And I'm going to go over to Kigo for him to do his analysis, and then I'll do USD and NAS for you guys.
All right, Chad. So we're just going to quickly do a quick start off here with the dollar. Just break that down there for you guys. So big thing, what Chris was talking about there. And I do truly see dollar making a bit of a comeback now in these next few days, possibly even weeks. So just keep a lookout for that. This is kind of that turning point for us. And that was the big thing on the weekly. We can see that turnaround, holding this key level at 9,700 key area. And now really starting to work its way back up to that 99,500. So we just want to monitor that. But on the daily, we're going to see the same thing coming out of here. Monthly pivot has obviously tested nice and strong for us, moving there. So monthly R1, we're a little bit short of, which I do believe we can get the extension. At the end of the day, this is a nice strong push down. Hold that weekly pivot. If we can go bullish off of that, going to look quite good for us with the dollar. So we're just going to monitor this and see what happens, because this literally can almost become the low for the week, and then the rest of the week see us trade upwards. But a lot can still happen here with the dollar. We are going to get news starting to come out this week again. So we're just going to see what happens, but take it slow for there. So again, it is early days, literally Monday start of the week, but a little bit of a neutral position. But I am leaning to the idea of a bit more of a bullish pullback over there. Going over to gold, and again, just to add into it, guys, Chris and myself obviously decided just with everyone that the PS5 giveaway is going to be extended to the end of Jan. The only reason for that is a lot of guys were like, Key, we couldn't get a lot of entries in, we couldn't do this, like we were on holiday, it was December, like we weren't really trading. So we said, okay, you know what, fair, it obviously is there for the community, so we get extended to give you guys more time. So you guys have until the end of January to win that brand new PS5. Again, it is purely there. Use code 2G's PS5 with XM, and all entries on gold get you into that. All right, so just heads up on that one for you guys. But nonetheless, back to gold, we have been quite bullish with this pair. If you've been in Prodigy, you know the guys have been absolutely milking it with this pair over here. And again, very simple stuff. I know Chris did give the guys basically the outlook over here, but if you've been around with us before, you guys will know all-time highs. What do you do at that all-time high? And very simple stuff. There was your break. So once you broke all-time highs, you look for those bars, and the rest is history. Again, maybe you wouldn't have been awake that early, but you live and you learn. The concept still works. Very simple stuff. But the one thing we do want to take note of, and again, just seeing this gold really starting to run to the top side, I think we're really going to see it run, especially this first quarter of the year. So again, don't fall guilty of that now, trying to short the all-time highs the whole time. I think we are just going to see this continuation. This is where you really want to get involved. So personally, as we can see now, monthly pivot holding, we have left gaps. If we turn bearish, I can see us probably go for those gaps, but until then, as we stand right now, definitely doesn't look too much like that. All right, so we're already trading here weekly R1. We're going for that daily R3. A little thing I've noticed with the guys, if we get to this point, kind of, we're literally not even midday, going into 10 o'clock now, and we're already almost 1.7% up on the day. Very good, and more likely that we're going to see a nice trading day here from gold. So if we continue to move over here, again, we're going to see what OBS can give us, and just see if we can scale in. But going to be looking for the buys, and very, very simple stuff. Asia highs untested. So as you guys know, if we can break there, daily R3, Asia highs break, we're going to look to just see this continue. Again, you don't hold for the fences here, because end of the day, it is all-time highs. We've got nothing to go off. So this is where you just stick to the plan and go with that. But going to be quite bullish on gold.
Alrighty, Chad. Steve might sign up for the PS5 giveaway. Alrighty, guys. Quick one here. We've got 6 minutes left. US 30 on the weekly. Let's quickly have a look here. US 30, as I mentioned last year, I think it was me and Fubs in the chat chatting about do we think equities are extended? And I said absolutely not. And yeah, new all-time highs being made last week. Beautiful to see. Weekly is looking strongly bullish. Daily, nice little daily consolidation going on here. You guys know what's going to happen from a consolidation. Small range going to big range. So this could be setting up for another breakout to the upside. But as it stands currently at a resistance area, I am bullish. Okay, nice 2 consecutive bullish daily candle closures. Expecting some type of breakout. Low time frames. Let's see what is cooking here on the low time frame. Currently at Asia low. There's your point of control. Can we get some type of little fake out here back into the range, and then for price to continue higher? Okay, little bit messy. If you saw my post on Instagram, I said volatility over direction. And Chad, I don't know, some people are special, not hating or anything, when they ask me, Chris, but what are you looking for on NFP? I just want to show you guys this quickly. And I still did this. That was NFP. I still indices.
You technically gave it away.
Yeah. I said gold. I was expecting gold to come down, dollar to go up, and then indices sideways.
I'm surprised you didn't milk that a bit more, bro.
I don't know why. Market reaction, gold, initial pressure, USD, short-term strength, indices, volatility over direction. So I still made gold red, and it was a down arrow. Dollar was green with an up arrow, and indices I made gray side arrow. I don't know. Keys, was that clear?
Bro, if you were sleeping on it, you were sleeping. We told bro, like, bro, 2026, we changing it up here. So that's why Brian's still on holiday, guys. Check that. He's not even back yet. He's like, boys. He's making the money's just, it's getting thrown at you guys at this point.
So yeah, I don't know. Anyways, chat. So there was the NFP call for everybody. NASDAQ, a little bit more consolidative here on the weekly. Very, very ugly price action here on the weekly, but what I do like is I do think NAS is setting up for a breakout. Okay, and the reason I say that is you guys know this pattern when we start creating higher lows. Okay, we are starting to compress up against these highs. So at one stage, this thing is just going to explode higher. All right, so I am bullish. Weekly for me is also nice bullish engulfing. A little bit more tricky. We've got a few flat body areas to consider. And then we also have this weekly low. And then on the daily, all right, the daily is also there. You can see it very nicely. Nice little compression building up here. But as you can see, highs are staying equal. Lows are getting higher. Okay, this is super bullish for me. When do we get the breakout? I don't know. All right. But But what I am seeing is Asia low. All right, so I'm gonna say this level here. If we can hold above here this morning, could see a nice little bullish push. Okay, so that is all of the rapid fire analysis here for us this morning. If you want to join Project G, somebody asking there, I'm gonna pin it for you guys. Which social media? Instagram. I try. Days feel fulfilled now. Stream back in action. Alrighty, let's see.
I'm just trying to see now. Yo, guys, please heads up. If you're gonna message Chris or myself, please, best thing, message us on Instagram. Like even that's hectic, but
send your full message. Don't start with hey Chris
or just hi. Like
yeah,
messaging us on Discord. You very good chance you're not gonna get a.
When you say weekly low, yeah, weekly low. Keys getting started one. Hey, Dara. Chris, look at DAX. Absolutely not. But Chad, 10 seconds for us to kick off.
But I have noted, I saw your message though. I'll show it to Chris later and we'll talk, see where we can assist you with that issue and see if we can get you to come right there, okay?
I'll check now. All right. Markets are open and in motion, baby. This is the official round, first round of 2026. Ding, ding, ding. Where's our voice mod? Damn, bro. That was terrible. Let's see if I can bring voice mod back here. You delete our voice mod app, Kiga.
Bro, why would I delete it? Why me?
Bro, I need my sound desk here. Okay, Chad.
Okay, thanks, Keith. No problem. Let's see. Ding, ding, ding. There we go.
2% rule, very simple per instrument. On the live account, not to exceed 2% per instrument on a single trade idea. Very simple. If you want to risk 2% on gold, you can. If you want to risk 2% on NAS, you can. If you want to risk 2% on US30, you can. If you risk your 2%, you lose the trade, so you can go for another 2%. Okay. It is just to eliminate the gamblers. Rixie, Happy New Year to you as well, my brother, and all of the other G's as well.
2G's community only going up, fam. Chad, I had an epiphany. So, okay, send me a 1 year, guys. Who knows of the peanut? I had an idea. Just hear me out here. But who here knows of peanut? Okay. Check/Rooks. Alright, we get it somewhere, Steve's. It really is all the gamers. Bro, he's everywhere. Like, I don't know how people wouldn't have seen him at this point. What if we turned Chris into a VTuber while he streams?
A peanut.
Bro, you could be like the trading pickle.
I
read it could work,
say
bro.
something else here, but I'm gonna.
We could literally turn it into a bull, bro. The trading bull. Bro, I read that's gonna get views. I'm telling you.
But what do we turn you into? A talking anal bead.
Sure.
Nah, Pickle Chris, a trading pickle.
Pickle Chris.
Like Pickle Rick.
A donut, please. Love the idea. A pisang.
I wonder what software they use though.
Chad, I rated one stream we're gonna do it. He took
Find
over
us-
my algorithm and I don't even follow or watch him.
Okay, I just need-
Chad, I read we're gonna do it one stream. Keys is the trading goat. Hey, Billy's coming back, Chad. Billy is here and ready to make an appearance. Where's Bill?
Alrighty, let's see what is.
Oh, Bill. No, we're just waiting here, guys. Gold definitely can give us a setup here. So,
What are you looking for? Yeah, it already reacted.
yeah,
there.
the one gave us there already. But
That was pre-market.
technically, we still have the 4-hour play that can happen.
Yeah, I'm also checking the.
So, other than getting another one, we can get the 4-hour play. It's a Snapchat filter that's been discontinued, but somehow you can make it work. The jokes
Yeah,
that
I'm
will
gonna
come from
ask.
it.
I'm gonna ask ChatGPT.
Nah, Chad, watch. I promise you guys are gonna come on one stream and it's gonna be wild. When you think about it, hey,
Correct, Dane.
it's very crazy. Like I was watching the one guy now talking about it. They says you actually think of all the problems it eliminates. Because they said when you talk about it, like again, obviously with him, no one knows who it is. They don't know his identity. They don't know anything. But the guys are saying like it allows him to joke and say whatever he wants because you can't hold him to anything. You can't call him a racist. You can't call him like a sicko for something. Like, bro, he says anything and everyone's like, it's a peanut. So, like, he just gets away with it.
Yeah, if you think about it, you're keeping yourself and you're keeping your family safe.
Key and Kuro, does your mentorship include strats for higher time frames since I can't get a
Yes.
chance to catch? The 5 minute is literally, just to give you a breakdown, the 5 minute OES has 2 plays. So there's a 5 minute, which is basically the scalping strategy, and there's the 4-hour play, which is long term trades.
I was Malaysia. It was good, Chad. It was eye opening. I told Keeks we are actually very privileged in SA with how cheap property is. Just to give you an idea, townhouse, duplex, we're looking at around about 10 to 12 million rand starting. Not big, talking 110 squares. What do they call it? Bungalows, more like your bigger units. They don't really have massive open spaces like we do. You're looking at starting price 20 to 30 million rand. Okay, so townhouse complex, ENP, you buy for 1.6. That same townhouse complex will, if you put it down in Kuala Lumpur, in the suburbs, they're looking at 15 to 20 million rand. No. They make Cape Town look cheap, my brother. Cape Town is cheap. So yeah, it was very good to see. I still told Keegan, I laughed. The real flex there is not an M3. The real flex there is a Toyota Valfire. You've made it. If you've got a Val, I'm not even joking. This Valfire there is more expensive than an M3.
Bro, you sent me that out. I was like, what is this thing?
Bro, but this thing is premium. So when I grabbed, they don't have Uber. They've got Grab. I always grabbed with this. So door open. Okay, this is. I think it is this one. Yeah. The premium Grab you get, the door opens by itself. You sit inside. It's like lush. The seat reclines. There's a screen inside. Yeah, so Valfire there. This is how you flex. All of the boys that want to flex on the gas. Tesla's super cheap. Tesla's all over. Can't believe how many Teslas I saw. Don't really see German cars though. Very few German cars. What else? Traffic, incredibly bad. When I say bad, took us like 90 minutes to travel 20 kilometers.
And that's in town, eh?
That's from where we lived, Setia Alam. When you say the suburbs, it sounds like you're doing a Muslim prayer. It's like Setia Alam, Shah Alam, Ma Alam, and then I was like, yo, guys will think that I'm Muslim here, but there's Shah Alam. Let's just get to Setia.
Alright, so when I was in Cribber, did you get to eat dog?
No, I didn't, bro. Why would I eat dog? Like, why are we?
Oh, what are you guys doing?
I just want to check.
Even if that was like on the menu, I don't know if I'd eat it.
How do I see? How do I get the maps to?
Bro, what is those like marks on the map?
Oh, there we go. Construction, Chad. Okay, let me just quickly center myself here. Where's KLCC? KLCC. Okay, there's KLCC. Can I not? Okay, let's just do this. Set here.
Oh, so you're looking a bit lost there, bro.
Let's not check the highway once I just want to get my bearings quickly here.
Again, guys, if you have just joined, we are waiting for a trade on gold. We are watching there.
Find it on the side. I want to show you guys. I have to say the way that they build their estates is very, very cool. Every estate has got its own pool, its own gym, its own little soccer field. Okay, wait, this is... Oh damn, yeah, on maps it's not even built yet. Yeah, it's quite a new estate where we stayed. So that estate where we lived is, yeah. This entire thing is actually built currently. There you come off the highway. So how they do their town development is every little estate, this is how their houses look. You've got your semi-detached, you've got your bungalows, and you've got your duplexes. Every little estate has got like its own little mall. Very safe there as well. Have to say the Malay people are really, really hard working. Everything stays open till 10 at night. Very friendly. There's no crime there. I still don't know how to use the bidet. If that's the only thing I didn't like in public toilets. Everything is wet. I didn't chance it. So if my Muslim friends can give me like a little bit of a breakdown, I wanted to try it out, but every time I'm like, let me not chance it.
What
now.
happens when you try it and you actually find out you like it?
I don't mind it, bro. Then I'm getting a bidet at home. But
The day
But Chad, the issue was when we were flying to Phuket, I go into the one bathroom and the only thing was those toilets that are flat to the ground. And I'm like, oh no, boys, I'm not geared for this. I don't even know. And I'm walking there and I've got a poo, bro. And I'm like, yo. And I'm thinking, how do I attack this? Do I like take my pants off completely, squat? How do you start rinsing it? Do you do a forward to back? What angle do you place the jet at? A lot of questions ran, and luckily there was one toilet, and I was like, "Yo, beautiful," but yeah. So Amina and Nazam, you guys need to chat to me. I think Nazam, you gotta.
If the pressure is too high, you might blow your balls off.
Bro, I'm scared of like the poop. You blowing it up. I don't know, Chad. But yeah, that was weird to see. Like all of the toilets there are like just bidets, and then everything's just wet. The floor's always wet, my bro. And the weird thing is, there's a sign in every toilet to not squat on the seat. Because people will literally stand on the toilet seat and squat.
Why?
Because I don't know, bro. It's a thing. They stand on the toilet. Literally, the one toilet I went into, you could see the guys like shoe prints on the toilet seat.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
Chris, did you go to Patpong?
Patpong. No. We were on more the quiet side of Phuket. We didn't go and do all of the other stuff. But Johannes Arm, chat to me, brother. You got to give me the lowdown. Yeah, Amina. Oh yeah, Chad. A classic there. Breakfast. Nasi lemak.
Seeing the footprints is crazy.
So my brother-in-law in the morning, he's like, he loves the street food. We drive down the street and it's looking, he's like, there's this lady. And I have to say the street vendors, they're super clean. Early morning, little lady with a little tent there. Order a nasi lemak. It's like their breakfast dish. So it's like rice. I think this is little pilchards or sardines that's fried with your egg, your peanuts, and your sambal, and little cardboard triangle. Throw it in there, give you your spoon. So yeah, had a lot of this for breakfast. Nasi lemak, beautiful. The sambal makes it. And the people there feel offended if you say their sambal tastes like that's like the crown of the meal.
I just joined 2Gs. I'm not sure how to navigate through WAP, but thank you. There is in the welcome area there, it explains to you, there's a video to go watch and helps you navigate yourself through WAP. So just go watch that video.
Weird thing also there, Keeks, McDonald's. You
Bro,
get
I'm surprised
rice.
you not go there and see the different things on the
Yeah,
menu.
yeah. So they like corn. So you can literally, with your McDonald's meal, instead of chips, you can get corn on a cob.
That is so weird.
You can get corn. There's rice. There's sambal. There's rice with everything, Chad. So rice is like a staple. There's the McDonald's menu. There's like quite a bit different than here.
That's crazy.
So everything has got rice. Everything has got sambal if you want. What else was there that was different? 7-Eleven, Chad. So 7-Eleven is massive there. Okay. Rice triangle. This changed my life. 7-Eleven rice triangle. So you buy it like this. It's a little sushi triangle. Okay. So it's in plastic, so you can choose whether you want to have the seaweed or whether you want the seaweed off. Take it off, boom. Rice triangle. Then 7-Eleven double burger. Let me check here. So you literally buy it in a packet like this. Then they heat it up for you. Very good. Like, weirdly enough, the 7-Eleven toasty, beautiful. I don't even know where they get the bread from. But the toasty is beautiful. So we had some of the... And another thing is I don't know why the guys do it. They buy like their drinks in like a bag. So our one Bolt driver literally had the bag hanging on his indicator with his little straw in. So you literally buy your cool drink in a holding bag like this and you put the straw in.
No, man.
I promise you.
I never get that. I feel like overseas, there's some things they do where they are like ahead of us, and then they do other things, and I'm like, you are 100 years behind us.
It's actually originally from Japan, a bit late to the stream on it. Now, I enjoyed the food. I mean, I really enjoyed it. We went to go and do, the last night we were there, we did Japanese hot pot. So it's where they give you like 4 types of soups and you just throw all of your stuff in. We didn't get time to go and do the Korean barbecue though.
Where was the place you went to where you do the cooking on your own?
That was the Japanese hot pot. Yeah. Japanese hot pot.
Chris out here buying froze burgers. But what is the exchange there? Are we
1 to 4.
1 to 4, yeah.
So the ringgit is 4 times stronger than the rand, and then the Thai baht is 1 to 2. So we get two baht for 1 rand. So
that's the only thing, hey bro. Like mentally, I don't care how much money you make, but like mentally,
yeah.
When you do certain things, I don't think how my brain can comprehend. Like the one guy was saying when he was traveling, he had to stop at obviously at the airport, and he was like, he was so hungry, and they had I don't want to say it was a 7-Eleven. They had also one of the overseas burger places. Just a stupid example, but they went there, and he got literally like just the burger, and it was like $500 just for this burger from a fast food place. And in my head, I'm like, I don't know if I can do that, bro. Like, just to know, like, I think if you're hungry, you're going to pay it, but...
So the prices are relatively in line with what we pay for stuff. For instance, a McDonald's meal, slightly more expensive, like 60, 70 Rand for a kiddies meal. But remember, in terms of their money, it's cheap for them.
Yeah.
So, like my brother-in-law said, like when he sees it, something is 10 ringgits. It's like 10 Rand for him.
Yeah, so
we see it as 40 Rand. They see it as 10 Rand. Fast food. Brother, nasi lemak, just to give you an idea, the nasi lemak breakfast is literally 8 Rand from the street vendor. It's 2 ringgits.
That's crazy.
It's literally that entire breakfast is 8 Rand.
That's crazy.
So if you go to the street vendors and you get your nasi lemak, 8 Rand.
Keenan, just read the chat there, please, brother. The guys have told you just go back to the start of the stream.
Restaurants are quite expensive. Some of the places are quite expensive. Meat is almost not affordable there. All of the steaks and stuff gets imported from Australia. Petrol price, 8 Rand a litre. Tech is quite cheap. Pro Max was 8,000 Rand cheaper than what you can buy it here for. I got the AirPods Max for 3.5k cheaper. AirPods Max, I think, what did we say? 12.5. Okay, 2.5k cheaper. But cheaper nonetheless. 12.8. Do you want to hear them?
I'll try them out. I see Mo's already taking them from you.
Yeah, I was just asking to put them on charge, but I'm just waiting for a cable and I'm going to stream with that.
I'll say him, bro, he's already... When I walked in here, I'm like, I see it. I'm like, wait, on these Chris's. Man's already there listening to music with the In Vietnam, 4 fresh oysters is $2. Do yourself a favor and do Vietnam. Also best golf destination in Asia.
Stefan, I don't actually, me and Keegs, we're going to Dubai in 2 weeks. I told him I'm actually so overflying, my bro. Like, I am... Yeah, if I don't have to see an airport for 2 more years, that is... Yo. And it's not the flying. Like I told Keegs, it's that idle time, standing in a queue to go through immigration control, customs, security gate, then boarding, then waiting, then... Yo. Flying is the easy part. All of that waiting before.
Oh, let me know. Let's go golf if you have time.
But you know what's weird though, Keegs, when we were flying over Dubai, you'll see a massive open piece of land and then you'll just see randomly, like in the desert, like a villa. Bro, there's like no roads. It's you don't see roads. It's just like these villas, like spaced out. I'm checking, I'm like, what's going on here? And then it's like, obviously almost like a small holding in the desert. And you can see like some of the oaks have money. Like the one guy's got a dam and he's got trees planted around it.
Chad, how much would you guys pay to see us when we're in Dubai? Chris Markable, Conference, Raja Banks.
Hey. Yeah, Chad, XM, honestly, I'm not even lying to you. Keegan made a withdrawal last night. Bro, it was instant.
Yeah, it literally was. We did the withdrawal and it was...
I made a withdrawal and I didn't even want to post it as a marketing thing because I didn't mind a withdrawal, even if it takes a day, 2 days, whatever. I'm not phased, but I was sitting there in the morning and after the Asia trade, I'm like, okay, withdraw the profits. And as I click submit, I'm not even lying to you guys. Within 10 seconds of clicking submit, I get a notification from my bank that the money has landed. And I was like, okay, wow. And I checked it. I'm like, no way. Wait, is this not maybe the previous day's withdrawal? And I was like, oh my goodness. They are, yeah, I didn't even have to blow smoke up their asses. When I say it's instant, Chad, I don't know how, but it's instant.
Chad, and just to give you guys an idea, okay? So obviously you guys know we're purely trading gold at the moment. Just because everyone else always talks about, hey, but we use the ultra low spread and we do all this. Chris and myself are literally using the standard account now. Purely because the standard account, you still get the bonus, which is a losable bonus.
Oh yeah, that equity, yeah.
And this spread is like literally not even different to the ultra low. Like you can't even really, if you look at it, you can't tell me the difference between the ultra low and the standard.
So again, you have to give credit where credit is due. There is no other broker that can compare with that, and I don't want to get into a fight with any other brokers. All I'm saying is I've not seen that
And
ever.
all I'm going to say is other brokers who are decent, do some big withdrawals with them and let me know how many you do before it becomes an issue.
Instant, bro. Like, so again, big ups to them. I've not.
XM pay immediately every time I draw from XM inside Uber and pay the Uber with the withdrawal.
I don't know how they do it, bro, but that funds is like, I don't even think if me and Keegan bank with F&B, if I have to send money to Keegan,
That's
F&B
not even
to
that
it,
quick.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. That losable bonus is crazy. Yeah, man, bro. That losable bonus. Yeah, I think the other brokers have some catching up to do. Few things just admin related. I don't think unless we're gonna ask Ed, we're gonna be away for a week in Dubai. We are planning, we're actually going to sit this week with the conferences. We want to do a minimum of 4 this year, 1 in each province. So we'll chat to you guys.
Even more.
The automated gold strategy, hopefully by Friday for Project G, will roll out. What is the biggest? I think the single biggest single withdrawal was 200k, if I'm not mistaken, and it was instant as well.
What are we talking about, Joe?
No gold trade for me as of yet. PlayStation giveaway still gonna run to the end of Jan. If you want to get part of that, just check. Do we have a link for it? I do think we have a link. Let me see if I can get a link here. So every trade you take on gold is an entry. So there we go. Okay. Edski, make a 35% discount code for us for VF and call it, make the code 2026 on all accounts for this week. 35% just to get the boys back in.
The year. Gotta have some skin in the game.
So yeah, we'll get those schedules running.
I do remember earlier someone was asking why we're only having the one stream. Obviously, first day back, guys. Just
I'm
need to
also
have
a
some
little
meetings and stuff,
jet-lagged.
and Chris is still jet lagged. So we just ease into it. Obviously, Project G guys will keep you guys updated. But yeah, just to get everything settled.
I don't know if it is on your. It can be bought. Code 2026 is live. 35% off all accounts. There you go. The code. Don't put in code 2026. It's just 2026. Dang, I just bought one. Buy another one. Would you be doing a promo on your? No, I don't think so. It's relatively cheap for what you get. You get all of the strategies. You get all of the courses. We put a lot of work into Project G. And I'm not saying that because I want to blow smoke up my own ass. You can ask anybody. That's our baby. We take care of the guys. We do our morning prep calls. There's the daily brief. We had a boot camp the last week of December. Yeah, I don't think we honestly don't. We don't want to. We don't know what you don't want to water down value, Keeks. As soon as
more content coming soon.
You don't want to water down something of value. So no, I don't think we'll. Project G Journal coming soon as well. Chronic Correct. We must have a meeting.
But there's a very cool feature to that, guys, which I think is going to be a big game changer. So it's not just a normal journal. It's something purely for Project G members where, let's put it in a nutshell. We always said guys want one-on-one, but we can't give you that one-on-one attention. But this is a way we can work with you without it being public, without if you're shy, you don't want to share stuff, you can share it purely with us and we can help you find in those changes that need to be made.
Our session volume profile is purely for the session, my brother. So it just takes the session. I know some guys like to do a weekly one. So for instance, if you want to do the weekly one, you can go to session volume profile, but fixed session volume profile. Not session volume profile, sorry. Volume profile, you get the fixed range. So I know some guys, for instance, will, which is not wrong. There's nothing wrong with doing it this way. To take the previous week and basically see for the entire week where price is trading. So you can use that. Obviously, we've already blasted through last week's. We gapped up, so last week's one is not going to really do anything for us now unless we come back in the range. But yeah, there's a lot of strategies around the session volume profile. For me, it's simple. I like to use what we currently have in the session because we obviously scalpers. So I want to trade from the level that I currently have. But you can swing trade with it as well. There's a lot of strategies around it. Hierdie WAP story is bedonderd. Hey, Etty. Chris, what happened to that guy who was on his last 180k and turned it around trading? Which guy was that? That almost sounded like me, but my last 180k was my overdraft. It wasn't even my 180k. TradeZilla, put this in your pipe and smoke it. Hey, there we go. I'm completely new to trading. Can you explain how someone with no experience? Go on. I actually made a video. I don't know if it's comprehensive enough for a complete newbie. But if you go onto our channel, if you go onto our YouTube channel and you go to playlists, okay, go here, start your trading journey. This is a playlist. There you can see. So go through this playlist here that I created for you guys. Hopefully that helps. Bambi, julle manne verlang my bra. Hey, man, is goed om terug te wees. It's good to be back. Chad, nothing in on gold for me. Still relatively consolidative. very much overlapping here. Let's check what happens here at London Eye. Tight little range here on London. Let's see. Oh, no, not with my help. With Crypto Chris. Yeah, no, he's doing well. The guy was called Crypto Chris. Tinas, to be exact, I think it's the 2nd, eh? Kigo? 2nd of Feb. We're flying to Joburg on the 1st.
Yeah.
Flying to Dubai on the 2nd. Flying back to Joburg on the 6th. Then flying back to PE on the 7th. Cape Town, very, very soon. Play the Scalps, big time. Okay, check it out. And then also the gold, automated gold strat will be ready for you guys as well very soon. This Friday. The idea with the Asia strat is that I want to literally put it on autopilot, put bucks in it, forget about it. Nice little churner. Doesn't even have to shoot out the lights. I'm gonna keep it personally for me as a little investment account, and that will be the holiday fund. Need to stay a bit longer. No, we will definitely try and stay a little bit longer. Very sideways here for the first day back. US 30.
Keys numbers, you know. When you're going to be in Josie, any plans for the Limpopo trip? Josie, I don't know, but we will be. Limpopo, I don't know.
Josie. It will be MT5. It's going to be MT5. I'm thinking the best way for me, because currently my PC is on at home, the best way is to get a virtual. I'll chat to what's name. I'll chat to XM. See if they can do something. Free cloud. Oh, does Amazon have remote desktops? So yeah, the best is gonna be remote desktop. I don't know if you guys know how it works. It's basically you log into a PC that's always on. So you put your EA on it and it runs. You don't have to keep your PC on at home. So we'll see what we can. I'll see what I can get for a standalone version. Chronic Champo, wat dink jy is daar? Wat is beskikbaar daar? VPS.
RX VPS is very good.
Steve, ek kan jy met 'n meeting hê, nee. Ek weet nie of jy kan. But I'll check if I can get something. I'll see what I can do. Starting from 470 rands per month. Build yearly. Sisa. Sisa Beliza. Try any desk. But I'll find a solution for us, guys. Or the other solution is you just set you just keep your PC on the night before you go to sleep, or your laptop. Chris, why don't you call them mandalas or blues? Mandalas. I don't know what mandalas is. Yeah, guys, so Ernest is officially Steve. We're trying to chat to Home Affairs to get his name changed. But it is going to be a process. So he is officially Steve now. He's adopted the name Steve. He was sitting at the family dinner this December, and it was like, Ernest. And he's sitting there, and they're like, Ernest, dude. And it's like, it's not Ernest, it's Steve. Don't call me Ernest.
Nah, it's an official name change.
So he's scrapping the guest list. Hey, Brian. It's his last 2 years have been a movie with some of the characters. Every time you think, nah, it can't get worse, I think that's what life has shown me. If you think it can't get worse, it can get a whole lot worse. What a ride. What a ride. This is... But Chad, other than that, what is news? What is happening? What can you guys tell me? Guys still driving for IB deals or flying at least? I don't know. How does this work though? Hey, well done, Champo. First live account. Beautiful. Okay, to wish everyone a great year forward. Now that Chris loves gold again, I can pull. Hey, Brian. Yo, Chad, do you think they made it difficult to pull this little sticker off? Maybe I must pull off the entire thing. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. Wait. Oh, there we go. Oh, but you're getting a lion, bro. What do you expect? That's not a dog, that's a lion.
Oh, bro, you check there's the entry. That was lit.
No, I didn't take the highs there.
Bro, yeah, you consolidated. There's your break, creating this as your zone, and then it tested.
Didn't break structure. Where did it break structure?
Bro,
Where's your structure?
hold on.
Don't
Wait.
let me teach you structure.
No,
yeah.
no. Hold on, yeah.
Brian.
Bro, no, look
Brian,
here,
Brian.
Chris. Is that not a structure break? There, bang, structure, bang.
Brian.
That is, bro, you can't even
Brian.
lie.
This candle, yeah, did this candle break any structure? Just back me up here, Brian. Chad, did this candle,
Chris, do yourself a favor. Put it onto a line chart. No. Hold on. Watch this, Chad. Watch here. Put it on a line chart.
So that never broke that high.
Wait. I can't see. No, look down now. So there's your break of structure. Here's your lower high, low. Now you've taken out that high, which is your break of structure, and that creates the break. Which is there is your zone now that you've changed legs, and it is valid.
No, so this, no, I agree with you. This is a valid structure break, that there.
Yes, and then
But from there, we didn't break any structure. This is an equal high, bro. That's not a structure
that is
break.
not. If I take that there,
Chad, back me up here. This is not a structure break for me. Is this a structure break?
Look at that. Chris, look at that. That is.
Nah, bro, that's not a structure break for me. Not in this world. This can never, Chad. This can never be a structure break for me. This candle, yeah.
Chad, let's just Chris put it on my screen quickly. Just so Chad, look at what I'm looking at, okay? And I've said this, and that's why I'm saying it, because I've said the exact same thing to the guys loads of times. It's on my screen.
Let me put it on your screen.
I've said the same thing. If something gets tricky, easiest thing to do is you go, no. Go to a line chart, okay? If we go to our line chart now, if we look at this, there's your structure. So, right, we're going to go there. So it's your lower high, higher low, higher low, higher high. Now you've broken structure. Okay, we can all agree that you broke that structure over there. This became your high over there, which this is broken, because if I draw a line, we can all agree that is broken, which then goes into this leg, which creates it. You move to the top side.
Brian, the guys are hungry for trades here. They're going to the line charts now.
Nah, Chad.
My thing is, Chad, when it's not clear, you just stay out. Now, so honestly, Kigo, if this candle here broke above, that would have been a structure break for me. That's why we'll see equal highs there. This is the break now. We seeing the break as we're sitting here. So, but if the line chart is good for many things. Line chart is good for many things. Brian Keegan is angry for that trade. That man is down here on the second short line chart, like. Okay, there's London High.
It's fine. End of the day, the 4-hour play is going to come in here now.
Yeah.
So I will catch my late entry, since people don't think the other entry was right.
Microstructure. Kigo trading the microstructure. Yeah. Gee. Microstructure course coming soon. Are we going to get something now? Keegan wants to get that feet wet. Feet will be wet soon. Alrighty, Asia. Hi.
Bro, Now you couldn't even say I'm wrong. The guys on OES took it.
Nah, then we need to refund them.
No.
Hey, we need to refund
They,
them.
bro, 100%. If I even said it there, they took it, bro. You can't even.
Brian, back me up here. These young guns wanna.
You can't even make
Let
it
the
up.
older boys. Brian, talk to me here. We can't have these young guns gang up here on the older boys. Brian, talk to me. That is internal structure. There we go. Thanks. There we go. Can't let these young. Chad, that for me is internal. Nah, Kigo. Come on, broski.
I always said it, bro. I will agree when you look at the candles, there's candles. It's something. But if you go to the line chart shows a different story.
There's men in this game, and kids. I agree with you, Chris. Can someone please assist? Jason, how can we assist my brother? The line chart is a dangerous place to be playing, Chad. The line chart. All right, new session higher. London eye being taken. Nice little consolidation. We've got the 4-hour play here that we're looking at. Nice little 4,600. Very, very simple for the 4-hour play. Looking for either just a test, a little bit of a pullback, then a break. So break, continuation break, expecting the volume then to push through. That is the one play. The other play here is a simple closure outside of Asia, closure back inside Asia, and then a closure outside again. Okay, the outside, inside, outside. Okay, new strat coming, Keeks. So it's the outside, inside. It's the oi oi strat.
Oi, oi.
Oi oi. All right.
Every time you guys hear a TP, you gotta be like a little oi, oi.
Oi. What trade did you take? I took the oi. Okay. Binne buite sien jou later strat.
Keeks took the aggressive breaker structure. I took it also.
Chris profit. Binne buite. Can someone please assist?
Boys
10x
read
that.
between the lines.
Well, Jason, I'm having a blonde moment. We just purchased the account of VF. What would be the login number you put? Jason, you'll receive it in an email, my brother. Once you register, you can also go onto your client dashboard. And on your client dashboard, you'll also see the logins. Okay. If you're unsure, support, we've got incredible support at vaultfunder.trade. And they will also be more than happy to assist. Okay. I've even seen sometimes support will give life advice. That's only sometimes. So even depending on how you catch them on the day, life advice. So yeah. If Asia pumps, New York dumps. Where am I? Okay. If Asia pumps, New York dumps. Interesting.
The EYES indicator is still the best indicator. Second best, IN2K. Signal was there.
Sure.
Can't make it up, guys. Can't make it up.
If I deposit Telegram logins. We don't have a Telegram, my brother. What's the preference for days back setting on the 513? 20. I always say a month. So the best is 20. So the guys that got the free maths, are they getting a refund? You know, Brian sat over the weekend. He had like a little notebook for a little banter. He's got a little notebook with banter chats. It's like, just so he doesn't forget. Sitting there. I see it snowing there, Brian. It looks a little chilly sitting there in front of the fireplace. This is actually Keegan's. Chat, if you want to. This is Keegan's trade journal. See, I'm very proud of my man, yeah. Nice little fresh booklet. I just want to show you guys. Day 1. Okay, beautiful. Wait. Day 1. Beautiful. Day 2. Okay, wait, let's get on. Maybe it was 6 months in. Kigo, I love the optimism, how he even started. Beautiful, the date, day 1, lot size, everything. Let me see if I can maybe find another journal, yeah? Okay. No, that's chat. That is.
Okay, but jokes aside, that's not mine.
Bro, whose is this?
That's not mine, bro.
I swear this is yours.
It's not mine.
Is this not yours?
No.
Whose is this?
I don't know.
Bro, this is yours.
Bro, I promise you.
Keeks, just own it.
Bro, why
Keeks,
would I have a
please.
VW book?
Whose book is that then, bro? What the heck?
Bro, this isn't even my handwriting.
I swear that is you, Keeks. Just own it, bro.
Bro, you know I have my own journaling thing. Why would I use a book?
Nah, I'm kidding. Might be Mo's. Oh, is it Isa? Okay. Damn.
I was gonna say.
Oh, it's Speedogs. Alright, so journaling stopped.
You don't think it's Mo's?
I don't know if Mo writes like that.
It's either Mo or it's Ed, bro.
If that's Mo's handwriting, sure. Alright, chat, might get a trade on gold. Let's go. 2 standard deviations.
Who drives a VW in the office? Yeah, exactly. Who drives a VW?
Mo.
There we go. More money, more problems.
Just my support that will help real quick. Okay, chat, let's see if we...
No, Brian. I did not bring that guest.
What is that?
Brian's like, books full for 2026. Oh, if Keeks brings another cuck guest to the show, I'm unsubscribing.
Hey, Brian, we try and see the best in people.
You see, now the thing is, we have to go international to go get guests now.
Yeah, now we have to fly to Dubai.
I said no overtrading for 2026 and just broke my rule because I love what I see. Kept it for 10 days long.
Okay, let's see. Uh, yeah, and Caitlin actually have to sit, bro. My WhatsApp just got worse.
Wow.
I was like, this holiday I'm gonna sit maybe one day and go through it all, and sitting on like 100. Ew. Oh no, I got it down to 80 last night. I said no overtrading. The water drop sound. Chris, I see Keys was busy on IG this vacay. Brian, I saw the bobbleheads. There's things that need to be discussed, but we'll keep it
you
for.
boys in this cock again.
Brian is. I'm gonna first take him aside and we'll have the chat. I don't wanna dox him here on stream, but the head was bobbing.
Yeah, the chat.
Keegan got loose a little bit over December. Man got a little.
These guys are on a mission, yeah, Chad.
Can't be friends with everybody out there, Brian. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. And now what happens is, Brian, for some reason, the stuff he likes pops up on my feed.
Oh, Chad, look at that excuse.
And now I see the stuff that he likes, Chad. And I'm a man on the straight and narrow here. I'm keeping it clean. I'm reading my affirmations daily.
Chad, these guys don't talk such cock.
Yeah, now I'm getting hit with this baddie page.
Talk such cock.
And then I have to sit with my phone and pray out loud for the algorithm to cleanse it. So then I take my Bible and I hold the phone close to me. I open up Instagram and I read the Bible out loud just to cleanse that For You page. I'm telling you, Chad. The baddie page.
Yeah, these boys. Nah. Bro, that's the thing. The missus sees my stuff all the time. We still did the day where you said, oh, let's show our For You pages. I can happily show mine because these are still cock, yeah.
Chad, I'm just saying.
The best part is they forget the last time they tried to do this. And it was a case of, oh, yeah, no, I did like that one. And they're like, yeah, exactly. I said, yeah, Caitlin sent it to me.
I never saw Caitlin send it to him though. That's just.
I told you guys, you can call in here right now. That's what I said, bro. You guys.
Brian is man.
Yeah.
Are we still doing the villa expedition this year?
Yeah, we want to.
What is the villa?
The thing we said we want to do the thing with like a group of traders.
Oh yeah.
Where we trade for the year.
And we
at
go
the end
to-
of the year, we go do a villa or something like a holiday with everyone.
Go to Bloemfontein. Some nice villas in Bloem. Bloem Villa. Any nice villas in Bloemfontein? Okay, but my question is, let's say,
Will there be bad?
let's say, Brian, here's my question now. How do we navigate this? Let's say for some reason,
Yeah, I'm
there's
getting
like-
married this year.
let's say for some reason, there's 4 baddies that join the training thing, and we host this thing. what do we tell our wives? Like, why are there 4 baddies? And I'm like, her name was John on WAP. Steve, John, Michael.
It's like, no, her name was, what's...
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
This is going to be another urge situation, bro.
What do we do
It's
then?
like then her name's Megan, but she goes by Bob.
No, but here's my thing now, Keeks. How do we navigate that? Because now all of a sudden we in a spot where if we take a group photo, like, hey, traders, great expedition, and there's 4 baddies, like, dude, we have to abort the villa thing. So it's either only
A villa with trades with Chantal.
only dudes, but they can't actually be baddies. Like, you have to be ugly to. If you're female and you want to go on the villa thing, you have to be like a 3. We can't have, baddies not allowed. So we'll take applications. We'll have to do applications. I don't want to get into trouble.
This man's gonna get us cancelled there, Chad. He forgets that we have females in the chat, and then they
No, I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
So look at that. Chris says we ugly.
No. I'm not saying anybody's ugly. Like, I'm not saying that.
So
I'm
the
just-
boys smart Chantal there.
I actually think I need to invest in a new cover. Yeah. Ice cream rice for 4 months again. Joe, gold's really making us wait on this first day back.
Yo, bro, literally. Can't have sausage only at the bra. Need to have bra brokies as well.
Listen to this, man. Bri breakies.
Bro, I swear that they ruined bra brokies for me now.
Yo, that poor girl. Yo, her parents honestly need to be reported.
They ruined that for me.
Her parents actually need to be reported.
Well, you just gave out some info out loud. So, ladies, if you are accepted to stay in the villa, then you know you are 3.
No, I didn't say anything. Jen, you said that. Jen, I didn't say anything. I was just joking here. And now the assumption is made only 3s will be allowed.
I can see it's hot. You bloody malted with cheese.
How was your vacation, Chris? Gareth, it was good, my brother. It was very, very good. Well rested. Looking forward to the just have one more trip. 2 weeks. Dubai.
You know, then we get back and then we got Cape Town, bro.
Only cock thing with the Dubai trip is we're driving up for IB deal. And we're actually gonna have to take a ferry across the Gulf Stream.
See, that's why we need the exactly, guys. You see, if this was that situation, if we had the pickled trader, he could get away with saying these things.
In the river, caught a pair of Bogo jeans and bow fish. That's not me. Something definitely wrong.
Yo. Yo.
We show up every day for London and NYC session. Isham, very, very soon, my brother. We just need to check with venues. But like I said, for at least minimum 4. To buy a trip and see if we can land an IB deal. Nice big retainer. Retainers are tough to go by these days. But we want it clean, Keeks, for the people, for the little man. Nothing.
Exactly, bro. And then all of the guys that we ever exposed, we're going to bring them back onto our team to say, like, we only work with the best.
Yeah, so
That's why we're going there, guys. Number 1 on the list, we're recruiting Raja Banks.
Shannon, that guy really found out we're 7 steps ahead of him, man. Shannon, that's... Hey. He really thought we were joking.
Only work with international brokers. They are the best. The next
2 days
day,
later.
do not work with these brokers. They did not give me an IB deal.
Oh, Chad, I don't know. I don't know.
Very simple thing. Gold being your safe haven.
I don't know.
I want to be a fly on the wall. Silver bar was awesome. Time for vlogging 2Gs. We actually, you know what, and you know what, it's the problem. I was thinking about it the other day, bro. We need to get that DGR.
No, we don't, bro. We cuck with that.
No, but that's what I'm saying. We need that little camera that you just hold.
We don't need it, bro. We're not.
We
can't even take a picture with our phone of each other on a plane. It's like, we're gonna do content. Get there, like, you're tired. What are we eating? That's literally that,
Chad,
bro.
you know, and that's the fun part, yeah. We literally, the whole plan was, for those of you that were at the last Cape Town seminar, that is where Chris and myself, we accepted it. We're like, you know what, we need to up our content game.
No,
But we're not good at it. So we had the bright idea of...
Oh, we paid someone. He was cuck.
We have a media person. So why don't we just bring the media person with us to Cape Town? Because they can vlog for us. And the media person did not pull the camera out once.
Are you talking about when we took Mo with?
Yeah. Did we get any footage from her?
I don't know. I think Brian's idea
But
is
we got
the
a free
best.
holiday.
Get meta glasses. Yeah.
Yeah, that is the best idea. How much are meta glasses?
But what do you guys want? I told you guys, life, we've got a boring life.
I want to go see how much are meta glasses.
It's like $8,000.
Really?
No, it's not expensive. But you have to import them though.
Wait, which are the real ones?
The ones that say meta,
They all say meta.
then they are the real ones.
There's Ray-Ban
No, go to
metas, there's
Ray-Ban.
4K.
Go to
There's
Ray-Ban.
X real metas, Sensofinity meta glasses.
Meta. Do you guys really want to see this stuff? No, we don't have meta. Yeah. So you're gonna have to.
Well, look, now we're in Dubai, bro.
Oh yeah. Ray-Ban Meta Dubai. Let's see. Bergville version. Bro, it's like impossible to get.
Yo, Darren, you hit in that soft spot there, bro. Lots of footage, but no sound.
Bro, it's like impossible to get them. It's like if you get them, you get them.
I've heard your jokes. You guys are unhinged offline. I'm sure Chris was a race course. Did they driving on the track? Did you go on the track at all
Where?
on your holiday when you guys went to the track?
How do you mean go on the track?
Did you take a car on the track? Did you go?
Oh, no. There was a sick go-kart thing.
Yeah, Donnie was telling me about it. He's like, yeah, my mom didn't let me drive the big go-karts.
dirhams. So yeah, bro, it's like 8 grand. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 8 grand. Ray-Ban Metas. Okay, we'll maybe do it. So I'm bleak. I didn't do this. Sepang, check your keys. So you book out racing underdog. Here we go. There wasn't. So yeah, is racing underdog Sepang. Okay, these are the cards that they have. This 2-stroke one, 32 horsepower. 1,000 rand for one. Plus raw GP, required deposit refundable. But yeah, there's literally, they've got it 1 day pass. Oh, these are electric. You get there to the track. It's literally next to Sepang. Just check gold. Okay. Yeah, there's it. Bro, sick little go-kart track. They've got the pits there, timing screen, like proper. But yeah, it was quite cool to see the track. That video I took, I was standing here on my Instagram story. And there were some cars, I think it's like local touring cars. And there's the airport. Bro, this airport's massive. So we actually, when we took off, we take a little electric train into this terminal. They've literally got 2 terminals. You've got KLIA1 and then you've got KLIA2. So this is where all the Air Asia planes take off from. This little runway there, or not little, there. And this is for that airport is massive.
But I mean, correct me, I think Heathrow is also like a monster because Heathrow, I think, has got 4 terminals.
Yeah, incognito, it's silly. BMW M2 experience. Yeah, Stefan, send me some stuff, bro. Keegan is saying he's looking for that Phuket experience in Dubai. I don't know, Chad. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know
Chad,
what it
we
means.
said we're not renting anything that doesn't have a V12. 5 terminals. Yeah, that's a monster.
Alrighty, Chad. Can we
are so close.
get the test? Pullback, break. Where is my... I need... super trend.
I say in a Dota guild, Chris.
Is jy in 'n Dota guild, Chris? Ek dink daar is so 'n guild waarna ek is, maar ek speel nie meer regtig.
We've now got him into Ark.
I want to try and make all of these gay boys straight again.
Our
They're on
boy's
ARC.
gonna go topside with us.
I don't know if I could say that, but I just said. Sure.
Chad, I told you the trade in pickle. It's gonna be a serious thing here. When Chris feels all unhinged, we just know. We
No,
put
but
on
listen,
the,
bro, I don't know. Can you say that word? The G-A...
yeah, you can say that.
Really?
Yeah,
No shadow bands or anything?
yeah. I think it just depends what you're gonna say about it, but you can say it.
No, I'm not going to hate on it. I'll,
No, let's just say you
like,
can say
would
it.
it be wrong to say, like, oh, hey, I'm joining ARC Raiders because I'm going to make all the gay boys straight again? Like, is that, like, a violation?
I don't think so because it can be seen as funny. Like it's. I don't think so.
Wait, Brian, look at Brian. Even getting the Vessels brothers out of retirement there.
Whoa, hold on, wait, what?
He's saying he's building a PC that you don't get the Vessels brothers frothing.
Keys, what's your aim to get out of the car? What experience you want from it? Bro, just something that like, I think in general, like it's not always you get that like the chance, but you can really just go enjoy and feel like those cars. Like I even said to Chris, bro, like it sounds stupid, but it's like you want to go see a Bugatti and a Koenigsegg, because when else are you going to see one? Like what's the chances you're actually going to see one in person?
Keys, I can show you the case, but I don't want to put trading pressure on you in the first quarter. Hey, Brianna.
Yeah.
Steve, I played BF last night. I still love BF.
No, Chris and myself, literally talking about it earlier.
We
said
have
we're still
to
going to
do,
play
yeah.
BF. Like BF is our chill, and then ARC Raiders is when we're
More serious.
Yeah. And when we lose our shit because all our loot gets stolen, then we'll go back
BF.
to BF.
I like a good little BF.
But I still think you need to have a teammates, bro, because like where you and me played the other night, we played with like two brain dead idiots.
Bro, but I carried last night that one. I got it. That last one I told you, where the teammates were useless. I'm
That's
like,
it, you need teammates, bro.
I'm having the game of my life. And Brian, what are you gonna play though? Please don't tell me you that guy that's building a monster PC to run TradingView. Please, then just send it to me. Bless me with it. Stop this madness. Luxury supercars, best day is luxury super Ahmed. Are you going to get us a good price there? Now is the time for all of these guys that are in Dubai that's like, oh, Keeks, Chris, we connected. we wanna see these connections now. Stefan, no pressure, but we want to see these connections. When we pull up there, it must be like, Stefan's friends. Come in, my brother. Come in. Sit down. For you, we know Stefan. Half price. 50-50. Bro, it's like, wait, listen. Chad, the guys speak very bad English for the most part there in Malaysia. We go play golf. My caddy, shame, the poor guy's useless. Smokes like a chimney. It's the first time I'm playing the course. I hit the ball. It's just off the fairway. And I'm like, Ahmed, what do you think? And he looks at me and he shakes his head. I'm like, will I find it? And he's like, 50-50. I'm like, okay, 50-50. I can work with 50-50. 50-50, that's good. Like, we get there. It wasn't 50-50. Ball is gone. Again, just slightly off the fairway. I'm like, Ahmed, must be like 70-30. 50-50. I'm like, nah, bro, you don't understand what I'm saying. Let me just leave it at that. Stefan, but why is their website so chalky? Luxury supercar rentals. Check if you can get a website that's 50-50. It's 50-50, Habibi. Luxury.
Oh, this one. Man, this is the one I showed you when we were having our haircuts.
Did you find it? Yeah, but if I click on the website... Oh, no, it's fixed. Okay. Where's Stefan? Did Stefan leave us now? Ran from... there's Stefan's gone.
He's on the phone, bro. He's
Oh, he's on. Okay. Stefan
He's
is
like,
saying,
let me cook, boys.
let me cook for the boys.
No,
Right.
no, I'm yeah. Bro, what M4 is this that they say does 3.5 seconds?
Yes, bro, but the V12 is just wait. Look how cheap the Roma is.
Bro, a 812 GTS Novatec Spider, that is sexy, bro.
Bro,
I would
15k
100% go
a
with
day
that.
for the Roma.
10,000 for the day in a GTS, bro. 812, that's a V12.
That's 40k. That's quite pricey.
That is.
I won't do that.
To be this, I would genuinely even still do like
The
F8,
Tribita.
Tribita Spider Novatec. That's 4,000 for the day.
Yeah, that's... I don't like it. It looks like a Lotus to me. Chad, tell me this doesn't look like a Lotus.
Bro, okay, hold on. Hear me out. That is not the worst price. A Lamborghini Aventador SVJ.
For how much?
None. That's not bad, but you consider the car, bro. Like, that is not terrible.
Chad, look at this.
Bro, a Huracan is so cheap. But I don't think we can fit in it.
No, I wanted to get one in KL. Also dirt cheap. I think
It is really
I
cheap,
think
bro.
it would have been like 15k in KL, no deposit. 250 and then I went and I checked the video and I was like, I won't fit in it. You won't fit in it.
I genuinely don't think we're gonna fit in it.
Lotus, I think it was the Elise. Lotus Elise. I don't know why, Chad, but every time I see that Ferrari, the first thing that comes to mind is the old Lotus Elise. If I see this Ferrari, like, I'm thinking they took the Lotus Elise design and put a Ferrari badge on it.
I would actually still do this, bro. A 720S McLaren. I would still do that, and that's actually quite cheap.
The egos won't fit in it. That's the sad thing, is even if you wanted to drive Lambos, maybe Keegan, I can't even get into the GT3 RS.
Yeah, I could still fit in the GT3.
S GTS Spider. Bro, I won't fit in it. Do you think I'll fit? I think we'll have to go in and see what we actually
can fit
in. And be like, alright, can we fit in this?
Bro, that is crazy when you actually think of that, bro. Like, just again, money-wise, but a Range Rover SVR, and it's 1,000 a day.
Oh yeah.
Like for what that is, I mean,
Our
bro,
fleet
we can get
bro.
a Culinary Mansory for 6 a day. Get a
No.
little Cali.
No Bugatti.
Uh-uh.
I want to do a Ferrari, definitely.
Bro, a
or-
Wraith black badge is only 2,000 a day.
Nah, I wouldn't worry about the rolls.
No, but I'm just saying, like, when you think again, like, value, bro, like, that is hectic.
Bro, look how cheap the 570S is. 10k a day. Why is that so cheap?
But that's what I was
all the
saying, bro.
McLarens are dirt cheap.
But that's what I still said. I would actually take a 720 because that car still is a lot of fun to drive.
The McLarens are
Bro, they
dirt
actually
cheap.
have... Like, that would be fun, bro. A 765 LT. That is going to be a lot of fun.
765 LT. Oh, yeah. 750. How does it work, though? Is like the higher it goes up, the faster it is, or...
What do you mean?
I don't know. Like the 750
Yeah, it
is...
goes up as the models, but so the 765s are like beautiful cars. That was like their performance, but then the LT just stands for the long tail. So that's where it gets that like aggressive back end. So
okay.
the back end's quite loose on it because of that, but it makes it feel like such an absolute track
Yeah, it is
weapon.
a... That's 20k.
Like that really isn't bad, bro. Yeah, there's Steve. Show on the screen the car. 765 is for 765 horsepower. 560 is for 560 horsepower.
Here's the cost, Chad. So the 570S you can get for basically 10,000 Rand a day. I am right with the dirhams, eh? 1 to 4, eh? 3 seconds. So these things are quick, my dude.
That's
570S.
I would do this, bro.
720S you can get for 16 grand a day. This you can get for 15, 720s. So we've got quite a few 720s. This one is nice, the 765 LT.
The LT,
This
I would
is-
either go the LT or the 720S performance. Only reason I'm saying that, bro, is because I don't know if I want to have a top down in Dubai because we are gonna cook.
Yes, I would love a Lambo though, but maybe we...
Bro, I was gonna say we must maybe just see the Huracans because the Huracans are super cheap. Because we're not. I mean, okay, the Revolta is just stupid expensive. Bro, I mean, it is a Huracan STO, and it's so cheap, bro. Okay, well, to be fair, bro, we could get a Huracan Spada. Then we just stick our head out the top.
Maybe we do that just for giggles.
Just then your head just sits a little bit out the
Just
top.
for
And then
shits
purely
and
comes
giggles.
down to can we get in the seat.
Chad, I think if we're gonna do the vlog thing, we have to... Wait. I want to show you this. Air Asia, my brother. You guys think we have it tough on FlySaf Air. Let me show you what tough looks like. Kigo, you don't know what tough is, my brother. When I say it's made for Asians, I'm not joking. It's made for... Wait, where's that photo?
Actually, Stefan, I did Christmas. I've actually looked today. I actually saw in Dubai because you guys are literally cooler than what it is in PE at the moment. But you guys are in like your winter now, aren't you?
Okay, before I show it, Keeks, that is Air Asia, my brother.
Ah, bro, no. How long was the flight you were on
No,
there?
it's an hour.
Oh,
It's
yeah, I
just
was
an
gonna
hour.
say,
Yeah.
I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not doing that.
Chad. Air Asia.
Oh my word, bro.
That is Air Asia for you, my brother. Look at that. Bro. Bro, the Asian people were like, who let in this absolute mammal of a species onto our plane? Yes, I've never sat in a seat that small, dude. It's like this beluga whale just boarded our plane. Get him off. Why is this whale on our plane?
Yeah, no, 7, that's lacquer, bro. You were in a microwave.
He was in a microwave. Yo, my brother. Air Asia, the flights are tiny. Sorry. That's all I said every time I wanted to move. And I bumped into 10 other Asians. Sorry.
Bro, but was everyone really tiny there?
Bro, the Asians are small people. So we went to...
I was gonna say, so you literally look like a giant walking around.
yeah. No, the Asian people are... Did you know that Nike sizes their brand for Asian people? So we went to Matsui Access Park. It's like a little mall with all of the brands. The double XL Nike shirt there is the same size as a medium here. Pants, double XL is a large. A normal large.
Crazy, bro.
I didn't even know that. So the only place I could buy clothes from was Superdry. So I just literally bought every shirt they have in there. No, literally. I walked in and I told the lady, like, I wanted to get stuff. Get me every shirt. So if Chad, for the next month, you'll only see me in different Superdry variants.
Yeah, but to them, bro, they must have thought you were like a 6XL.
Chris is big in Malaysia, literally, Brian. Literally big in Malaysia. Not to offend anyone, but my uncle once bought underwear from Asia and was flabbergasted by the sizes. I don't know what you're trying to say there, Incognito, if you can be more specific. Was he flabbergasted with his own size in the underwear? I don't know. You gotta be more specific here. Not only the clothes that are sized accordingly in Asia. Brian, bro, it's luckily because Matsui Access Park is almost, I don't even want to say a factory outlet, but there's like very decent discounts. And Keeks, I've got a stack of clothes, and I'm like, I told my wife, let me just fit them on before buying the entire Nike shop. And I go, Matsui. Yeah, there we go. I fit the one shirt and I'm like, it's impossible. Okay, maybe it's like a slimline. Take the Air Jordan shirts. And I'm like, abort mission. I was like, what do you mean? I'm like, abort. All of this is useless. Shoes. You think they've got a UK 14 there, Keeks?
No,
The lady absolutely laughed when I said UK 14. She's like, no. This is Asia.
It's like, we're not even entertaining.
This is not the NBA. Go back to your country. Asking for a UK 14 in Asia. You absolutely... What are you smoking? Yeah, she laughed. I'm like, UK 14? You're the Asian chick laugh. No, never. Not here, ever.
I can't even find a UK 11 in South Africa where you buy shoes from Krobo.
Steve, so I buy directly from Nike. Only thing is 250 Rand delivery fee. So
I can, 11s are hard, but if you shop at the right, if you shop at the right shops,
Bro,
you
listen,
can find it.
So I go onto Nike. So now there's a pair of shoes you like. because you're paying 250, it's like I at least need to get 3 Ps. now your purchase goes from like 3 grand to like 10 grand to save at 250.
Yeah.
It's like, nah, it's not. But yeah, Steve, best is to go on here. For instance, these Jordans that I got as well, directly from Nike, and obviously just check your color, but they go up to a UK 17. So
UK 17.
yeah,
What is that, bro?
yeah, UK 17.
A UK 17 is
You
probably
should
like the
actually-
length of Caitlin and Taryn's
Bro, you
leg.
should actually pay extra. So yeah, and then I also buy on Under Armour.
70.
So I just always buy directly there. Up to 60% off. Alrighty. And his shoes, yeah.
UK 17 is a tugboat.
Yes, the UK 17. They actually
Right,
don't
that
allow you to
is-
board a flight. Eh?
That is
No,
crazy.
really. If you, that's why you'll see big guys don't travel. They stay at home.
What about our rugby players?
They don't, bro. I don't think you realize what a UK 17. A UK
Bro,
17,
What size shoe do the basketball players wear? They like UK 15s or 16s?
bro. But that's why they travel by boat. They don't travel by plane. They get put into a container, and the plane and everything
They've all got,
gets
to be
shipped.
fair, they've all got private jets, bro.
They get shipped.
they need a private jet just for them and their foot, bro. Like, that's about it.
Dude, I don't even think I know what a UK 17 shoe looks like.
Bro, please find a photo of someone with a UK 17 foot. Just go like comparison. UK 17 sounds like a new gun. Bro,
Absolute weapon of a wait. Let's. Oh, but that guy looks like he put in a shift to those shoes.
my thing is that's a 17 compared to. No, bro, no. What is your old? What?
Yo,
Bro.
that's like his torso. A size 17, my dude.
That is wild.
When you're at the airport, they literally have to put cones around you because you're a trip risk for the rest of the people in there.
Those are weapons. Oh, bro.
UK 17. Chat, still waiting here. We gotta take a trade on stream here. First day. Kindly note, no NYSE stream. Got some stuff to do. I think from tomorrow will be, maybe not tomorrow. From Wednesday we'll do both. We just want to settle in here at the office. That shoe turns the corner before you appear. You see them at the JSE. Jeez. I'm gonna go pee quick. Alright, chat. Trade is very close. Just want to see a little bit of a deeper pullback. And I've got a poop, so I'm gonna have to hold that in. Cannot risk it on the first day back on stream. Cannot risk a stop.
Bro, I'm literally still amazed by this. That is wild. I want to see a size 17 in UFC. I want to see something. Imagine Shaq is a size 22 or something like that. It is just crazy. A UK 21. Bro, that is madness. Bro, like think of it, like 2 pairs of shoes and your whole cupboard is filled up. Nah, bro. You literally have to have a walk-in closet just for your shoes. And even saying that, it's like 6 shoes. Yo. Your closet fits in your shoes. Nah, guys. I'm sure it's classified as a weapon at airport scans. Bro, imagine. How much must you eat to grow a size 17? Hero, did you see Paddy's fighting? You see in the winner will fight. Ooh. I think that's going to be a good fight. It's going to be a good fight.
What are you fighting?
No, Paddy.
Into your office, my bro.
Huh?
We're gonna move into your office.
Do we have electricity on that side now?
Let's just buy.
Oh, well, let me just get and then.
I already ordered my desk, my chair, my cable management stuff. I'm gonna get a quote for my carpets this week.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the same. Set everything up and get
No,
it there.
this week I'm gonna order the carbon fiber desk.
Carbon fiber desk.
No, really? Built for speed. Speed, agility.
Imagine a foot massage.
Francis, sorry,
for
my brother, I'm
17.
on stream. Yeah, let me just.
It's not-
Speed. What is it? Speed, agility, momentum.
Bro, at that point, I don't even think that counts as a foot massage. That's like just a full body massage.
A futagi.
No, they'll say, imagine a foot massage for a size 17. Like, how do you charge it? I'm like, bro, you just charge it as a full body massage.
A full body. I think there is actually a surcharge on that. There's a surcharge.
Bro, I hate to break it out. I don't think we're going to get our trade yet today.
I'm getting my trade in the next couple of minutes.
Are you taking it with
Yeah,
this?
yeah. You know what I'm taking, Kicks.
Nah, bro, but okay, hold on. Serious question though.
No. Remember the way I do.
Did that break structure though?
Kigi. Don't do me like this, bro. Kiga Laser, don't do me like this, my brother.
Let's go look at the line chart. Did it? Okay, it did. You're safe.
Hey, Kiga Lazy. Kiga Waza Mazana Manana
You're safe there,
Manana.
my brother. You're safe.
Let me just quickly. Yeah. But I'm actually not going to wait for the chef's kiss. I'm going to go aggressive.
Just if it breaks back.
Wanna-
To be, if it
I'm gonna
close,
be
if it can
aggressive.
close where it's now, and then the next candle breaks, then technically you have a chef's kiss.
Yeah, so my only thing is, okay.
Like,
The reason I don't want to wait, so I'm going to tell you what I picked up over the holiday. Okay, it's going to be a 50. A futagi. Brian, I still don't know what a futagi is, but it sounds incredible. Alrighty, Chad. I'm just gonna mute you quickly. A futagi. Brian, if it is what I think it is, bro. WhatsApp me, bro. I need to cleanse my mind. Please tell me it's not what I'm thinking it is. Send me on WhatsApp. I don't want to.
I think it is what you're thinking, bro.
You think it is what I'm thinking? Right? Please don't tell me.
They do it differently in Austria, bro.
Oh, who cheated now? Wait, what happened now? The poor vacated title apparent. You're thinking there's something wrong. Hey, Brad. Let me see if I can Google this. Okay, here we go. 3 minutes. Wait. Kigo ready?
It's cooking, bro. It's cooking.
Oh, did you take that trade earlier? Oh, so you're done for the day.
Bro. But they technically not.
No, I know, but that's
I know what you're saying, but I mean.
Did you take that trade earlier?
Nah, I didn't. The guys are just.
I like screen real estate. For instance, when I was now in Malaysia, just trading off my laptop was, I hated it. I like screen real estate. When everything is crammed, I don't like that.
Oh, horror! It was funny. That was just before she got caught cheating. The now boys was just like, "I can't believe you found your wife in Miami." And then bam. Hey.
Hey, Keeks, you also like screen real estate.
Yeah.
So we've got a lot of screens in this office. It's wide screens, narrow screens, vertical screens.
I wanted to get a new screen now, bro, for at home. Like, I'm thinking to ditch the two 32s, and I told you just get like the
wide.
Not even the 49, the 45.
The wide.
Yeah, so it's the wider one, but it's got the more real estate on the top. The 49s are nice, but they're too narrow for me.
I want to check for amount. Or to have the one vertical. But the cuck is it's a curve. How's that going to be? Vertical curve, yeah, on the left.
Well, that's what thingy, Burnt, one of his setup is like that. Because he's got that like relaxed like sofa chair.
Yeah.
So he has that sofa chair and he's got 3 ultra wide. So he did 3 ultra wides, 49s, but vertical, put them next to each other to have massive screen estate like that. And because he sits like this, the screens like lean onto you.
All of that to try to fake out back into the range. Right, that's crazy.
Bro. Sometimes you got to spend money for taxes, bro.
We've got all of these screens to wait for a test on a 200 EMA. You could have checked that on an iPad, but it feels good though. It feels professional. I'm not gonna lie.
My question is: Monday a good day for trading? It's not the worst. Nah, bro, I don't think you get it today.
No, it's
technically it's
invalidating. Yeah, I guess. It's still holding, Keeks. Bodies are holding. I think let's give it. I told the guys we're having our meeting 12:15, so let's see if she can cook something up for us here. I don't know, like my wife, Keegs will tell you. I wanted to give her a screen and she's like, no, I don't like many screens. I'm like, what do you mean you don't like many screens? No, I don't want to clutter my desk. I'm like, you're going to be so much more productive if you have 2 or 3 screens. She's like, no, leave me with my laptop. I'm like, wow. Okay, let's see here, Chad. Nice little push to the upside. Nice little test here on London. There was basically almost a little bit of a like opening range there, if you want to call it that. First little pullback. Let's see. Stops are going to have to be... Stops are going to have to be like 53 pipettes. Let's make it 55. Let's not fight over it. Okay, Keegs and booze is expensive in Malaysia. It's like 160 Rand for a draft. No, it's expensive. After golf, we went for drinks. And we didn't. I think we each had like 4 or 5 beers, and I wanted to be that guy. Oh no! And we had some food. No, rounds are like give the bill to me. I was like, your mistakes were made. I didn't know. Like it was 1,000 Rand per person yet today for just the drinks. I'm like, is this bill correct? We only had a couple of beers and lunch. Can actually have it 52. Oh, 52. Alrighty, Chad, here we go. First one for the year potentially. Or not. 250 Rand a draft. Yeah, Stefan, my thing is just, I don't mind paying 106 Rand. I'll rather pay 250. Like, if you are going to slam me properly. Don't do this weird thing where it's like, it's almost a good price. It's a little bit expensive. Rather slam me with a 250 or 300 Rand a draft than that in between. It's like we're friends, but we're not friends. It's complicated. I'm going to put a Facebook story on it. Are you guys in a trade? No, we are waiting for something here to happen, but nothing is happening here. Yeah, now it's actually a case to wait for the chef's kiss. Only 4-hour stream this year. Yeah, bro, we ideally don't want to be on stream for 4 hours. Okay, Keys, I'm going to give it 5 more minutes.
Go for it, bro.
5 more minutes. No, I'm not on a sell. No, I'm on no trade here. No trade. You'll know when I'm in a trade. I usually say, hey Chad, I'm going. Okay, this is just an example because I know some of you, your fingers like ready. I'm just giving an example. I'm not taking a trade now. This is purely for example purposes. So what I would say is, hey guys, I just took a buy on gold. This is where my stop is. This is where my take profit is. Then I will also say I will manage the trade. When this happens, I will go break even, trail stops. So you will know. This is not a stream where we take a trade and then afterwards we're like, hey Chad, just kill the W's. And it's like, wait, what do you mean W's? Yeah, didn't you remember 2 hours ago I said I wanted to see this. Bird fly against the window, 2 taps on the cheek, and then I'm going long. This is not that stream. Alright, so you will know. No, so from Wednesday, we're back to double. We just want to ease the bodies in. I don't want to shock the body too much.
Yes.
Learn from streams, don't look for signals. Agreed. Bro, when is crypto gonna moon?
You still in those things of yours, eh?
Bro, did I not pump 4
You
more
put more
stimmy?
bags.
Bro, my crypto portfolio is on its way to be bigger than my stock.
I was gonna say that's a portfolio you got there now, bro.
Yo, this crypto, that's why I said the other day, I'm actually way too invested in this. It was supposed to be like a little side gig.
But should be up now?
No, I'm still 10% down on it. I remember it's an altcoin portfolio.
Yeah.
Joe, I'm way too invested in it.
Let's chat to our contact there, see what he thinks about it.
And I don't want to chat to anybody now. I just want to hold the bags.
No, like I mean, like he's not going to tell you to go out, but I think he'll tell you, like, listen, he does believe there's that pop coming, or like soon, or you're going to wait a while, or.
I don't know, but you know what I said? For me, there's no horizontal timeline, so I'm not going to try and time it.
Yeah, but I think that your trade's
Yeah,
invalidated now.
Chad.
Slash, you're going to make them great with the sauce. So you're going to become the new crypto Chris.
I don't know, bro. The crypto thing is, for me, it's simple, like buy and hold. That's what I'm gonna tell the guys. It's like join my course. All right, part 1, guys. The strategy I use is called DCA, very advanced strategy called dollar cost averaging. We trade like institutions, where as price starts to dip, we start to accumulate positions. We wait for weekly lows, monthly lows to get liquidated. That is where retail is scared. We pick up the bags, we take the bags to the top. All right? That is what we do. That is the course. What do you mean that is the course? That is what you paid me for. Alrighty, Chad. No trade here for me. 8 seconds. Let's just see if it fully invalidates. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that is it. Is there anything else? No. Doom. Yeah, Chad, that is it. Kigo, nothing here, unfortunately. Had a nice little pop there. Wanted to get involved with this first little pullback here. Unfortunately, none of that happening here today. So yeah, no trade here. I mentioned to you guys what we're looking for on Asia. If we get it a little bit later, could see a nice little volume break. Closures above Asia. That is the trade that we will be taking based off the 4-hour. And we would want to see volume continue. One thing to do that I do need to note is that we are trading 2 standard deviations away. Not saying that we can't go 3. I think that one day we went 4 standard deviations on gold. Yeah. So just statistically, we are quite extended. And I'm not saying we can't extend more, but this is 2 standard deviations above your average. We've talked about this. DXY dropping below the previous daily low. We mentioned that we need to monitor this previous daily low. US 30 also very close to that previous daily low. We're going to see what's going to happen there. NASDAQ as well. This could have been the manipulation for a move higher a little bit later. But Chad, that is unfortunately the session. No trade yet today. Keeks, any closing remarks here?
No, Chad, good to be back. Yeah, just unfortunate. I think, hey, we would have loved to take in a trade here first day back, but market's just not giving it to us. So I think, again, if you want to see what we're going to do in New York session, just keep a look out there at the Project G guys.
Yes.
But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for us, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow again.
Chad, thank you so much, everyone, for joining. If you haven't done so, hit that like button as it helps us with the algorithm. To reach more traders like yourself. If you found this stream insightful, helpful in any type of way, make sure to subscribe. From Wednesday, we will be back with a double dose of streaming. London and NYSE tomorrow, just London again. Project G members, we will be sharing the trades for NYSE. And again, Chad, let's make 2026 a very good year. Don't try and shoot for the stars. Start with small little goals. Start with small little consistencies. And those small little changes, those small little process goals actually go a long way. At the end of the year, it's like all of these little things that you've implemented start to make a massive difference. So do appreciate you guys. And we will see you tomorrow morning. Thanks so much, Kigo, Chad. And we will see you on the next one. Peace.
Cheers, Chad.